I decided to make a World Cup final prep video. So what's today's date? Anybody know?
Feels like Friday.
A week away from World Cup final.
Today's Tuesday.
Today's Tuesday, and we have to be out on Monday.
Tuesday, and this car ain't even running yet.
Why isn't it running yet? Because my boy wants to decide to powder coat everything.
Because he wants to change the control arms like 12 times.
You guys can see it's World Cup finals prep. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a video of this car, and then my turbo car still hasn't tuned, but my turbo car is completely finished. And what I want to know from you guys is, what do you guys want to see from us at World Cup finals? It's a good question, right?
I'll let you know what they want to see.
What do they want to see?
They want to see J-Rock hop in that car.
Oh, check Mazda now, huh? What's in the box? You got me?
Oh, is that a motor? Because we need it.
Oh, we're gonna need some engines. So World Cup finals prep. None of the cars are ready, and it's Tuesday. Trailers have to be loaded. Tools got to be loaded.
I want to know one thing. You guys bringing the strap to World Cup? Is that the energy you're gonna have?
No.
Fucking send it. You ain't bringing no toe strap?
No, we got the strap. 3 glizzies, 1 bun right there. I promise you, whether you guys seen it in the intro of this video or the next video, he's getting got.
We always leave a rod at World Cup, right?
Yeah. Strap is secure.
We leave a souvenir there all the time. So today's Tuesday, World Cup finals prep. Missing wheels, tires. Half of this car is completely apart.
You can't lie though. The powder coat looks pretty good, no?
I can't tell if we're going to a car show or a race event. You never know.
Yo, Jamie,
race.
Ahmed powder coated all his stuff a week before World Cup finals.
You should have heard me bitching on yesterday.
Yo, because I heard you on the phone a little bit. Ahmed was quick to get off the phone. What we got over here in this box? We got some brand new tires. Are these guaranteed to cut me a 1.360? And hit the rollers. Brand new cylinder head, brand new turbo. Hopefully everything goes pretty smooth. So we've got 2 cars here. We've got 2 cars going to World Cup finals. We still didn't get the trailers loaded. So I want you guys drop in the comments, what do you guys want to see from me at World Cup finals? This is going to be my last video until I get there. It's going to be hard for me to upload and edit while I'm at the track because we're going to be there for a full week. Both cars are going. It's going to be hectic. I just want to know from you guys, what do you guys want to see from us while we're at the track? I'm going to give you like the normal stuff, burnout, passes, like the info on what's going down, but what else do you guys want to see? I'm going to try to get, there's people there that are going to be like Speed Factory, rest of the crew, like a lot of people that you guys probably don't see online, like that are like behind the scenes. I'm going to try to get also, but I will fix my GoPro. I'm going to get a GoPro in my car, my brother's car, kind of fill you guys in. I wanted to do like a live day-to-day upload, but it's going to be super hard for me since I'm driving and trying to figure the car out. If something breaks, I'm going to be at the track all day. I'll get the dyno video of my turbo car, M1 car, give you guys more of an update. I'll make this like a 2-part video. It's still Tuesday here. So I'll get what I can throughout the week for World Cup final prep, but I want to know from you guys, what do you guys want to see from us at the track? And hit the dyno now, and then black M1 car should be done tomorrow. I'll get the dyno video on that all in one video. I'll try not to make it too long, but let's see what happens on the dyno. Motor.
wild, bro.
What you guys say?
I want to say a lot, but I don't want to say a lot.
Let's just say you're gonna have to start using that shoe.
Let's just say my eyes are still burning.
Yeah, that shit was crazy.
Yo.
Hopefully, I hope.
You're already making fucking
I hope.
100, 150 horse more than last time.
I hope the camera picked up that shit.
Listen.
What'd you just say?
I don't think you're ready for that.
I hope you're ready for those 3 glizzies.
Yo!
I do want to say one thing though. Can you tune your car in 2 pulls though? 2 pulls and it's done. Yep.
Your tuner's favorite tuner.
Jane, what are you doing over there? Helping another tuner out?
You helping tuners? Remote tuning? Yo, that was insane. Yo, we ready to fucking party, Jamie? Ay. Yo. This shit caliente. What'd you just say? Hook up? That ain't our problem.
I don't think you're gonna be able to drive it.
That's why I'm here. Daddy's here.
You gotta be too scared to drive.
Let's calm down real quick. You guys always doubt me every
You're
time
going-
before an event.
you're going to
Every
World Cup
time.
Almost 300 more horsepower.
Don't matter. I go there with 1,000 more horsepower. Why you guys gotta doubt me for though, huh?
Because you're fat now?
Prove it.
I prove it every time, no? Every single time. I'm gonna prove it racing you.
No, you're not, because you're scared to let that happen. YouTube already knows it. You've been stalling.
That race was supposed to happen
Before you know it, winter's gonna be here. Oh, we can't race, it's snowing. And then by next year, everybody forgets about it.
You got like 3 weeks till the snow hits, bro. You better make that race happen.
I promise you guys I'm gonna bust J-Rock ass. I promise you guys. I'm gonna make that a promise. I'm gonna beat you.
We need to make a bet.
Yo, let's go out tonight. Hold on.
It's raining,
Let's
baby.
go out tonight.
It's raining. Floors are wet.
Yo,
It's wet out
It's
here.
the same for everybody, bro.
Are you trying to catch me?
meant for
You
me,
just
it's
trying.
meant for
You
you.
trying to catch me slipping? It ain't happening. Yo, why you don't got my back right now? You with me?
He knows the deal,
Because
bro.
you did it to yourself.
Why you don't got my back?
When he busts that ass, you gotta
That's-
He's saying that shit. I want everybody to look at his face right now. He's saying that shit without even meaning it.
Yo, when he busts that ass, you gotta run up and down Dixville naked.
I'll do that shit anyways, bro.
He'll do that shit even if he wins.
You guys got.
Loser gotta do something. though.
Yeah, loser gotta definitely do something. You guys drop in the
not money
comments.
either.
What do you guys want the
I
loser
don't want
to
his
do?
money. He don't pay up anyways.
Anyways, what do you guys want to see the loser of the race do? Like, they're probably gonna put something like weak in there for you.
Yeah, after doing that fucking 1, 2, 1, 3, 4 shit shift, I'm kind of disappointed.
Wager on that comment too. Whoever comes up with the best, you know.
Nah, I ain't putting no wager.
Nah?
Nah, but everybody just wants to see the 3
Oh, they got me for the
glizzies.
3 glizzies.
3
Oh, he's
glizzies.
definitely
Yo,
catching
Yeah, 3 glizzies at World Cup.
If you lose with
Yo,
Jerry,
wait,
yeah, you
yo,
10.
what's
10?
But normal size glizzies are the big ones.
Nah, he did quarter pound, baby.
I want to see the ones hanging off the ends of the
Yo, I'm gonna get him 3/4 pound glizzies in like Italian sub. This shit gonna be crazy.
Yeah, he's gonna be throwing up. Yo, can we shave the middle again?
Nah, I'm good. I get it down to
Yo, we're
this
gonna
time.
slip a glizzy right up in.
I want to take it
Yo.
back this time.
Yo, Jordan O'Mac, give me a quick, can we go inside? Give me a quick World Cup final prep. I just need you guys to give me like what's going on, you know, like what you guys got left.
Looking like?
Yeah, what it's looking like. Because,
So it's looking good for this car. It's too much for you to drive. We already know that.
I mean, this car's finished.
Yeah, this
We gotta
car's
put tires on the rims.
We gotta load up the trailer, 2 trailers. Still gotta go to the store, get some shit.
I
Preparation.
see a golf cart completely apart. trannies,
You
parts.
know me, I don't really care about the racing part. I just want to look good, baby.
Jamie said, "Are you going to a car show?" Yo, he literally got everything powder coated, painted right
You gotta
before.
think about it this way, right? When we go to the track, there's a lot of tension on our race cars, so we can't go there with fucking rusted out cars, stopped out looking cars. People hold us accountable for shit like that.
They hold you
I
accountable.
got one question because it looks like something's missing. Where's your wheels at?
Oh, and I bought a brand new set of wheels too.
But they're not here. What's today?
But they're not black, are they?
No,
The wheels are black. The barrels.
not black
I'm
yet.
gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it.
So I got my new bell axe here. I'm gonna put the tires on tomorrow.
Yo,
Well,
check out my radiator though.
you painted that yourself? Cause that shit looks good.
You powder coated them.
Yeah, who powder coated that?
New England Motors powder coat. Shout out to my boy Jason at FCS, baby. All about the details, right?
Painted in house. So what's left for the M1 car?
Gotta put the hubs in.
30. So you're gonna put back.
5.9s, which are heavy for M1 cars. So we got stock hubs or stock axles with 36 hubs we're gonna put on the car. I think we gotta do wheel bearings, right?
Wheel bearings, brakes.
Hopefully my brakes bolt up today. But
Check out that paintwork. You real fancy.
shout out to Ant. I know you watched the video. Thank you, Ant and Jerry. Looked out for me last minute.
That's who we are, team last minute.
This is gonna be super last minute.
That's just quick. Honestly, I almost don't even want to say it. I feel like we're ahead of schedule a little bit.
Don't
what's
ever
gonna fuck
say
us?
that.
You know what's gonna fuck us is the golf cart.
Golf cart.
Yeah.
So, did you tell them what you did to the golf cart? You talking about I'm fucking anal.
Did you even show them the golf cart? They haven't even seen it yet.
Nah.
Let's go show them the golf cart.
Did you tell them?
No, tell
You
him.
talk about me. I like nice shit, fancy shit. This guy fucking got his golf cart to match his car. The same color. He painted his golf cart.
When you guys,
Talk
if you
about
guys
me.
haven't been to World Cup Finals, yo, explain what World Cup Finals is. It's the best event of the year.
I gotta just say, I knew it was gonna be a problem when I came in that day and I seen a golf cart in my fucking bag. Just sitting there like a fucking car. I was like, it's gonna
Yo,
be some shit.
this shit is completely stripped. I'll show it to him tomorrow when we're putting it together. But we painted the golf cart Captiva blue, the same color as the car, and then the rims are black, got some BBS wheels, and I can't wait to see it put together. We got headlights, turn signals, we got a toe strap,
LEDs.
back seat.
I think this is the first year we're gonna be blinging our World Cup.
Yo, we even got heaters.
Oh yeah, we do. We got heaters, we got AC in the trailer. We're not gonna need it,
Tell
but
them how cold it is at World Cup for the people that never been there.
no, you tell me what you
Somebody
bought.
called us pussies because I guess it gets colder wherever they are. Bro, we're not used to the cold. Like, we're from
Today, how warm is it today?
like 60.
No, 70 degrees today, right? And then next week we're at World Cup, it's gonna be like fucking 30 degrees. Like,
So
that change is crazy.
J-Rock bought, he was like, oh, World Cup is miserable because of how cold it is. And he went today, bought a thermal, you had to go buy thermals, he said, to put underneath his hoodie for World Cup. It's that cold.
Well, it's to us, we don't like the cold. We're not used to the cold. Well, we're used to the cold because we live out here, but we don't like it at all. It gets probably at World Cup somewhere like 30 degrees, which is fucking freezing to be trying to be in a race car with no heat and then trying to drive the car. You're freezing your ass off, windows getting foggy. The fucking track is like sometimes like ice skates.
And it's windy and you're stuck outside all day. There's nowhere to really hide. You go in your trailer, but that doesn't really help. It's cold in there.
The thing that sucks is like, one day here is 70 and the next day it's 40 and the next day it's like 30 at night, so it's like the weather lately has been pretty shitty. But we'll be at World Cup Finals. If you guys want to stop by, say what up, we'll all be there together. We're gonna be there the whole week we're gonna leave from here Monday and we're gonna get there Monday night and then we're gonna be there the whole week until Sunday. Racing or not racing, we'll be there.
Well, like you said, for them, whatever you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more like maintenance stuff going on, you know, in the video, or do you guys want to see like cars going on the track? Like, what do you guys want to see exactly from us? You guys want to see more like personal stuff between us? We shoot whatever on the track, pretty much.
Yeah, last year was crazy. I wish I was vlogging then.
I wish the past like 3 years, honestly.
It went-
There's so much stuff, like we're crazy. The fun that we have. The craziest thing is like now I'm glad we're shooting YouTube for World Cup because World Cup is like our funnest time. Yeah, it's like fucking around.
Yo, Jenny, you remember World Cup last year?
I don't want to remember World Cup.
Yo, World Cup was crazy. It went from 3 transmissions out of my car, changing engine, to grilling, to like, you name it, everything was done. If it was transmission oil, Kevin had to change his clothes 3 times.
Actually, I have some clips in my phone. Maybe I got something I can give you and you just drop them in. Just a little sneak preview.
I'll drop it. Whatever you send me, I'll put it in.
Into YouTube. I can't take these dudes nowhere. Send that shit. Yeah, that's like the Glizzy Blocker 6000. Huh? Yo, show me how you torque this shit, bro.
Yo, bought a glizzy, bro.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I swear to God, he bought a glizzy. Yeah, you got a you got a glizzy. Yo, what is you? Yo, you had a glizzy in your hand just now, right? Yo, my boy had a glizzy.
Alright guys, so tomorrow my car is just finished up on a dyno. I don't know if I'm going to put the horsepower numbers, probably not. And I apologize if you guys are upset at that, but it's just one of those things that it's kind of like a competitive thing. Like, we're all limited to the same size turbo, so it's about what you can push out of your car, and we're all the same weight, same fuel. So I can't wait to see what's going to happen at World Cup, how fast we're going to go, but we'll be there. I'll get the dyno video of this tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. And then we're out. We're going to load the trailers up and then head out on Monday.